See, it's the same question said in slightly different words. But it reminds me that word Makkah metaphorically also applies to Qadian, because from Mecca started Islam and from Qadian started Ahmadiyyat. And Medina is Darul Hijrah. So if you speak in metaphors, these are two exactly applicable. This reminds me of another prophecy of Hazrat Masih Maud which said, हम मक्के में मरेंगे या मदीने में. We'll die either during our stay in Qadian or during the Hijrah. So he died in Lahore. That was a Hijrah in a way of speaking. So either he said we will die in Mecca or in Medina. There is one interpretation of this hadith, this prophecy. But the second one is that he died while in Qadian. No. I mean, while he belonged to Qadian, he stayed in Qadian. He died in Lahore, but he was stationed in Qadian. From Qadian, Jamaat had not migrated. But Hazrat Amma Jan, his wife, died after migration. She died in Rabwa. So this could also apply to we either here or there, may apply to him and to his wife. So these are all metaphors. When they get fulfilled, only then one realizes. So he apparently died during migration in Lahore. But at the same time, there are other prophecies which make it very prominently realized. So before leaving for Lahore, he was given the revelation, Ar-Rahil Summa Ar-Rahil, that you will travel from here and during travel you will die. So the different prophecies point to one thing again and the same thing, and when you put them together, then your faith is increased. He told this Rahil, Rahil Summa Rahil, to all his companions, and he was pressurized not to go to Lahore. He said, this is dangerous. After this way, please don't leave Qadian at all. He said, no. Allah's prediction and His decree, whatever it is, I am going to face it. So despite this protest lodged by so many of his companions, he went to Lahore and he practically knew that he would die there.